Hi! Ako naman, i-unbox ko yung Blockies na si Bert. Ayan. Ayan, naglalaro na si Gabe nung Count. Tsaka si Cookie Monster. Ito yung harap, top, side. Yan, yung likod. Ito yung bagong ano nila, lever. Ayan yung bottom. Let's go, open na natin. Card. Ayan. Tapos yung instruction. First, yung head.
Wow!
Na-add na feature din yung mouth. Ayan, now open and close. Assemble na natin. Here's Bert. Yung accessories niya is pigeon. Bernice. Look at that. Ang ganda. That's all. Peace. Thumbs up. Follow for more.